We live in an age of digital music. We have Spotify, Apple Music, Google Music, but a lot of people want to go retro, want to go back to that analog sound. And if your parents or grandparents have a huge record collection, we have the perfect gadget to get those old records off the shelf and back in to the turntable.
We're looking at the Allsop Orbitrac 3 Pro, and it's a really simple system that cleans all your records.
Yeah, it can remove dirt, dust, debris, fingerprints, all from your vinyl records. And it all can be done in about 30 seconds, so we're going to show you how to do it.
Okay, first of all, you're going to put this star-shaped pad, so it has 6 rings of little rubber pads you can place on the table, and then that's where you put the record on.
I just happen to have Johnny Cash at Folsom Prison with me, and you can see this record has gotten some wear and tear over the years.
It's been through life, yes.
So what we do is, now that Sherry has put that pad onto the table, I just have to let this record sit right on it, and now it's not going to move because it's got that grip. And you got some other accessories to go on top of it.
Right, so we have a device that's about the size of a bar of chocolate, and it's really flat, and that would lie on top of the record. And also there's 2 pads that you can, it comes with a box. You're gonna get one of them, and you're gonna attach it to this central device by clicking it. It's very simple to do. And then you're gonna pump 2 sprays of the cleaning solution onto the brush itself and lay it onto the record.
There's a little tiny knob right in the front of the brush, and that's what goes into the hole in the center of the record. And it also has a little holder, circular holder on top, and all I have to do now is to just roll it around, and I can see it being cleaned right now.
Ooh, it looks shiny.
It looks very shiny. It looks like it's just coming back to life. And just like that, and if you have a double-sided record, you can flip it over and do the same thing on the other side. And then in about 30 seconds to a minute, you're going to be ready to take that old record and play it on a turntable for the very first time in a long, long time. So if you do have an old school record collection, you want to get into the analog vinyl sound of the yesteryears, you got to check it out. It's from a company called Allsop, and this is the Orbitrac 3 Pro. Retails for about $60 US.